Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 29. Calculate the current in amperes required to produce 13.5 gram of aluminium in 1 hour, given that the molar mass of aluminium is 27 and 1 farad is equals to 96,500 coulomb. A, we have 13.40, B, we have 22.92, C, 26.80, and D, 35.74, and E, 40.20. So we are asked to find what the current required to produce what this given mass of aluminium, and like we know, 96,500 coulomb will produce 27 gram of aluminium. That is 96,500 coulomb will give us the complete mass of aluminium. Now, the quantity of electricity used to produce 13.5 gram quantity of electricity, which is in coulomb, is equal to the current multiplied by the time, which is equals to the current multiplied by the time is 1 hour, that is 60 seconds times 60 minutes, and this is equals to 3600 I, and this is in coulomb. So we can say therefore 3600 I coulomb will give 13.5 gram of aluminium. Then now we can cross multiply. We can say 3600 I, which is the current, multiplied by 27 gram of aluminium is equal to 96,500 coulomb multiplied by 13.59 gram of aluminium. 13.5 gram of aluminium, sorry, not 59. Now from here we can see that I is equals to 96,500 multiplied by 13.5 all over 3,600 multiplied by 27, and this will give us 13.40 amperes. So the current in amperes required is actually what 13.40 amperes, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.